I am glad to welcome you to the GB Cars Problems channel. Today, we are diving into the Infiniti QX60, first generation, produced from 2013 to 2021. This luxurious crossover, essentially a rebadged Nissan Pathfinder with premium touches, aimed to blend family practicality with upscale appeal. It boasts a spacious interior for up to 7 passengers, making it a solid choice for larger households in the United Kingdom. One of the standout positives is its refined ride quality, thanks to a well-tuned suspension that absorbs bumps on British roads effectively. The cabin features high-quality materials, including leather seats and wood accents, providing a sense of luxury that rivals European competitors. Additionally, the standard V6 engine delivers smooth power, with around 265 horsepower, ensuring confident overtaking on motorways. However, no car is perfect, and we start with the most common issues, beginning with CVT overheating. The continuously variable transmission in many QX60 models tends to overheat during prolonged drives or in heavy traffic, leading to shuddering, hesitation, or even complete failure. Owners in the UK often report this problem after about 50,000 miles, exacerbated by our variable weather and stop-start city driving. Rust is another frequent headache, particularly on the underbody and around wheel arches. Exposure to salted winter roads in regions like Scotland or the north of England accelerates corrosion, which can compromise structural integrity if not addressed early. Regular inspections and protective coatings are advisable to mitigate this, but many second-hand examples show signs of rust by the time they hit the used market. Beyond these, suspension components like bushings and struts wear out prematurely, causing clunks and uneven handling on pothole-ridden UK lanes. This is often due to the vehicle's weight and the demands of family hauling. Replacement costs can add up, with parts averaging around £500 per side. Electrical gremlins also plague this generation, including faulty infotainment systems that freeze or lose connectivity. The Bose audio setup is a highlight when it works, offering crisp sound for long journeys, but software glitches can frustrate tech-savvy drivers. Updating the system at an Infiniti dealer might cost £200. But it's not always a permanent fix. Fuel economy is a mixed bag. The QX60 achieves about 25 miles per gallon on highways, which is decent for its size, but city driving drops to around 15, hitting wallets hard with rising petrol prices in the UK. Its all-wheel drive option enhances grip in wet conditions, a boon for rainy British weather. Yet, this system can contribute to higher maintenance bills over time. Brake wear is quicker than expected, with rotors and pads needing replacement every 30,000 miles or so, especially if you frequently navigate hilly areas like the Lake District. The braking performance is strong and responsive, providing confidence in emergencies. However, sourcing genuine parts outside major cities can be pricey, often exceeding £400 for a full set. Interior durability holds up well for daily use, with seats resisting wear even after years of child passengers. The panoramic sunroof adds a premium feel, letting in natural light during overcast days. That said, some owners note creaks from the dashboard plastics after high mileage, detracting from the luxury vibe. Engine reliability is generally good, with the 3.5-litre V6 proving robust if serviced regularly. It offers a towing capacity of up to £5,000, ideal for caravan enthusiasts in the countryside. Oil leaks from valve covers are occasional, but fixes are straightforward at around £300. The QX60's safety features, like forward collision warning and blind spot monitoring, earn high marks from Euro NCAP, giving peace of mind for family trips. However, some early models had recalls for airbag issues, so checking service history is crucial when buying used. Overall, these tech aids make it a safer bet than older SUVs. On the positive side, resale value remains respectable in the UK market, with well-maintained examples fetching between £10,000 and £20,000 depending on year and condition. Its styling, with sleek lines and a bold grille, still turns heads at school runs or business parks. This blend of aesthetics and utility appeals to those seeking understated elegance. Transmission fluid changes are vital to prevent CVT woes, yet many owners skip them, leading to costly repairs upwards of £2,000. The smooth shifting nature when healthy is a joy on open roads. Proactive maintenance can extend the gearbox life significantly. Rust prevention sprays, available for about £50, can safeguard against Britain's damp climate. Underbody inspections during MOT tests often catch issues early. Despite this vulnerability, The chassis design provides a stable platform for dynamic driving. Cabin space is generous, with ample legroom in the third row for shorter adults, making it versatile for group outings. Folding seats create a flat load area for bulky items from IKEA runs. However, the infotainment interface feels dated compared to new arrivals, lacking modern app integration. Performance in snow or mud is enhanced by the optional intelligent all-wheel drive, which distributes power seamlessly. This feature is particularly useful in rural UK areas during winter. Fuel penalties are minimal, adding to its all-season appeal. Air conditioning systems sometimes fail, with compressors giving out around 80,000 miles, costing up to £800 sterling to replace. The dual-zone climate control works efficiently when operational, keeping passengers comfortable. Regular servicing helps avoid these breakdowns. Exhaust system corrosion ties back to rust issues, especially in coastal regions like Cornwall, where salt air accelerates decay. The engine note is refined and quiet, enhancing the premium experience. Repairs might run to £400 sterling for a new muffler. Tire wear can be uneven due to alignment problems from worn suspension, leading to replacements every 20,000 miles at about £150 sterling per tire. The ride on standard alloys is comfortable over long distances. Proper wheel balancing during services prevents this. In terms of who this car suits, the Infiniti QX60 first generation is ideal for families needing a luxurious, spacious crossover without breaking the bank on a new model. It's perfect for suburban drivers in the UK who value comfort over sportiness, provided they're willing to invest in regular maintenance to tackle CVT and rust concerns. If you're after reliability with a touch of prestige, and can find a low-mileage example for around £15,000 sterling, it could be a rewarding choice for daily commutes and weekend getaways. And if you own this automotive masterpiece, please describe the problems you encountered while driving it. Perhaps your review will help viewers when choosing a car. That's all I have for now. Thank you all very much for your attention. I'd be very grateful if you subscribe to the channel. See you soon.